How to create a material. First, you need to import the textures that your material is supposed to use. See the linked video for how to do that. Now in the asset browser, right-click on your project folder and select New Material. Specify a location and name for the file. In the material properties, leave the shader mode as From Base Material. For base material, select the Lit material. After this, a lot of properties show up. Through these, you can choose whether the material is opaque or transparent, whether it uses dynamic lighting, and most importantly, which textures it uses. There are multiple texture slots for you to fill out. The most important one is the base texture. This is the overall diffuse color. Next comes the normal map. Enable the checkbox Use Normal Texture if you have one. Next, there are slots for individual occlusion, roughness and metalness textures. Again, enable the respective checkboxes if you have such textures. Sometimes these three textures are also provided as one packed texture, usually called ORM or ARM. Here we have such a texture and use it instead of three separate ones. Finally, you can make the material glow using the emissive color and optionally another texture. Save the document when you're done. To assign a material to a mesh, simply drag and drop it onto an object in a scene. You can also edit the mesh component properties instead. For example here, now that we've assigned the material, we can see that there's a material override for slot 0. You can just remove it to restore the original mesh material.